If you arrived in this video, it is because you want to know more about the GlucoFlush. Then I have some very important notices, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. Before that, let me introduce myself. Hello, I'm Bianca. Today I'll tell you everything you need to know about GlucoFlush before you actually buy this product. After many people on social networks asked, so many people ask me on social media platforms about GlucoFlush that how it's work, what are the ingredients and what are the cons of it. So I decided to record a details review about GlucoFlush. For that I asked doctors, experts, nutritionists, forums and many people who are already taking GlucoFlush, so that I can give you actual truth about GlucoFlush. Now I have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about GlucoFlush is be careful with the website you will buy the product because the GlucoFlush is only sold on the official website, and as I like to save money, I immediately bought 6 jars to guarantee the discounts. And to help you, I left the discount link the official website here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll explain what GlucoFlush is and how it works. GlucoFlush is a liquid nutritional supplement sold exclusively online through GlucoFlush.com. According to the official website and experts, GlucoFlush can help diabetics manage your blood sugar without relying on prescription drugs, special diets, or other supplements. According to the manufacturer of GlucoFlush, diabetics and others who struggle with blood sugar and enjoy the following benefits from the formula: promote healthy, support the pancreas, support healthy blood sugar. GlucoFlush contains a blend of natural ingredients to support healthy blood sugar in different ways. Each ingredient is suspended in a liquid formula. You place 1 full dropper of GlucoFlush in your mouth, holding it under your tongue for maximum absorption. Or you can simply mix a dropper with a glass of water, then drink. Each serving of GlucoFlush contains 11 active ingredients. It contains all the natural herbs and seeds contains like fennel seed, marshmallow root, black walnut hull, pumpkin seed, slippery elm bark, wormwood herb, clove bud, garlic bulb, oregano leaf oil, peppermint leaf oil, papaya seed extract. Here are all of the ingredients in GlucoFlush and how they work. Fennel seed: GlucoFlush contains phenol seed to support healthy blood sugar, promote a healthy weight and improve vitamin absorption. Marshmallow root, a plant used in traditional medicine for centuries. Marshmallow root can purportedly support blood pressure and gut health while offering strong antimicrobial properties. Black walnut hull, found in many natural cleansing and fiber supplements. Black walnut hull could help maintain healthy gut flora and boost nutrient absorption while being rich in omega-3 fatty acids. The list of ingredients and their benefits is on the official website. You use GlucoFlush by taking 1 full dropper of liquid formula daily. Fill up the dropper. Dispense the liquid with a single squeeze of the dropper bulb. Dispense directly into the mouth or mix GlucoFlush with water, fruit juice and other drinks. Take 1 time a day or as directed by a healthcare professional. So yes, you can trust this product. Let's take a look at the benefits of using GlucoFlush in a brief. Number 1, it helps control blood sugar levels. Number 2, GlucoFlush helps in weight reduction and maintaining a healthy weight. Number 3, it is an all-natural product manufactured using herbal ingredients. Hence there is absolutely no need to worry about scary side effects. Number 4, while using GlucoFlush Drop, there is no need to spend time on vigorous exercises. There is absolutely no need for expensive medicines as well. Number 5, GlucoFlush is an easy-to-use product. Unlike other diabetes drugs, there are no complications involved. Also, for GlucoFlush to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. Even there are many people having great results with GlucoFlush, and you can have results too. Something very important is that GlucoFlush has a warranty, and you can actually test the product. And if for some reason you don't like it, they return your money. It is also important to know that glucose is totally natural and has no side effects. GlucoFlush is really good. If you are thinking of using, can use without fear, because I am sure you will have a good result with it. Just be careful on the site where you will buy so as not to end up harming your health with counterfeit products. To help you, I left here, in the description of this video, the official website of GlucoFlush, guaranteed for you access. My suggestion, if you like to save and in addition do the complete treatment, is to take. I hope I helped you with that information. See you later.